Whipped honey, matcha, crushed violet, and lilac join our Apothecary line of inks along with terracotta, apricot, ginger, and wintergreen. These 8 inks work together for a gorgeous, soft, muted color palette that spans the rainbow and fits perfectly in with our other spa collection inks. So in this video, I'm going to show you a few different ways to use the ink and also how they fit together. So a little direct to paper here gives you perfectly matching cardstock in whipped honey. Just add a little bit of ink refill if you find your pad gets a little light with techniques like this. And then here I grabbed the Simply Diamonds background stamp and just a few light taps and you have a perfectly inked background. I usually love to use my Misty stamping tool when I'm using background stamps or larger images just to make sure you get a clean, crisp, solid stamped image. Now when I filmed this section, I didn't have my updated color wheel yet, but stay tuned for it. Shea butter and whipped honey are our beautiful spa yellows. I'll add the link to our free download for the color wheel in the description below on YouTube, but you can head over and download this color wheel resource for free. Here's a look at that gorgeous matcha color stamped out with one of our whimsical trees from the Because Trees stamp set. So when you're using matcha, don't forget about sage and spruce. Those are all of our green inks in the spa line. They are going to look gorgeous together, especially when you're doing multi-step stamping. So matcha is your lightest, then sage with the medium tone, and then spruce for the dark. Imagine those multi-layered floral stamped images. This is going to be gorgeous for that. Let's hear it for the blue violet. So crushed violet is our newest blue violet. And if you didn't know, our inks are beautiful for blending, and one of my favorite techniques is emboss resist. So I took this hay stamp and I white embossed it and then just used an ink blending brush over the top to apply color and blend, and that white embossing resists the ink and stays white, and it's a really cool, fun technique that I use on lots of projects. Crushed violet fits on our color wheel under blue violet, right between Queen for a Day and Serene. Your projects are going to look gorgeous when using these for monochromatic cards or the multi-step stamping. Here is lilac, a quick swipe, and you've got some gorgeous lilac cardstock. And then if you want to color with lilac, you can use a blender pen, pick up some color from your ink pad, and color with it. Lilac fits on our color wheel under violet, so it works with royal treatment. So let's see these in action. Lilac, royal treatment. It's for you purple lovers. And look at this beautiful color palette. These colors were all created and chosen to work together, so it takes the guesswork out for you. We call this our Color Made Easy system. All of our spa inks were made with matching undertones, so when used together, they are going to create a polished project for you, so you don't have to worry about which colors go together. So pull your ink colors from the spa collection. You might even want to grab some of our coordinating patterned paper. Your card making projects will be so polished. So use the link below to grab our free download so you can experience Color Made Easy. Then head over to our shop.catherinepooler.com and explore our whole color line, all of our stamps and dies, and all the fabulous products we have over there. Thanks for being here. Subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you again soon.